And in this, there are texts that are covered, and this is really something that is required beyond the basics, right? Beyond the basics. Like, at the level of studying the basics of the religion, you don't need to study Usul al-Fiqh, but this is essentials for a student of knowledge. Right? What we were covering in the Foundations of Guidance class is sort of, puff, pre-Usul al-Fiqh, right? But it's an important puff because it's sort of the puff of guidance, right? It's at the level of essentials. Brief text. The Imam al-Juwayni authored a work called Al-Waraqat. The Hanafis, classically they study, there's different texts that are studied at this level. The Indians and others study this thing called Usul al-Shashi, which neither teacher nor student understand. So it's become it's a bad start to a challenging subject. Hanafi Usul is much more complicated than the Usul of the other madhabs, because Hanafis are much more complicated than the other madhabs. But there's an abridged, Imam al-Nasafi, author of Kanz al-Daqaiq, has a work called Al-Manar, which summarizes many of the great earlier writings in Usul al-Fiqh in the Hanafi school. But there's more than one mukhtasar of the Manar, abridgment of the Manar, which is facilitative, right, to understand the concepts.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.